Right about now, you're probably wondering about that VM variable. So on line 4, we've got this shell as VM. Does that have to match what we see down here on line 28? Well, not necessarily. So we can use VM down here in the shell, and then if we wanted to in the view, just so it's clearer at which title we're looking at, I could change this one here to shell. Well, if I do that, that variable there now has to be replaced inside my model as well. And any place I expected to use it, such as here on line 13, I should go ahead and replace it as well. So let's take a look and see if that works. We'll refresh over here. We can see our shell title is good. We're good to go. And then down here, is our customer title good? We still are. So now we can see we've got shell there. And I'll just change that variable too. And now for the customer as, we could change that to something like cust. So I could change them here, and we can change the label, and we're good. Notice we're not changing anything down inside the controller code. We're just changing it up top in the view. So let's go ahead and refresh that and see what happens. There's my shell title, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6 are the customer title. No problem. But hey, John, is it okay that we've got the variables out of sync? Well, they're not really out of sync. In line 4 here, we've got shell, and then down in the controller, we got VM. Well, they're different. Okay, I'll give you that. But down here in the controller, we're using VM everywhere inside the controller. Maybe that's just for consistency. Maybe you can template that. And then up top, you can make it more clear by actually using a variable. The important part is to make sure that you've got clarity inside your controller. You don't want to flip-flop inside of here and use shell here and then VM there. That wouldn't be very good.